Hey guys, so in this video we're going to install the latest R version and RStudio version. So the R version that we're going to install is the R3.6 and the RStudio version will be the RStudio 1.2 version. So first let's install R. So if you're on this link, you can look for CRAN R download and then it'll basically get you to this link. You can click on download R, then click on install R for the first time. Right? So I'll say download R3.6 for Windows and let that download. Similarly, I can also go to the RStudio website. Basically, you need to go to the download section. So if you go to the downloads, the pro version, we just need the free one. So you can just say download RStudio here, right? And the RStudio desktop open source license one. So if you click that download, basically take you to the download section where you can click on the Windows 7 plus 64-bit version or any other version depending on which operating system you have. I'll click on the RStudio 1.2 and let that also download. Right now, there's a lot of things that RStudio changed within this particular context, and so many things are really good within RStudio. Right, so I'm really excited to basically install the new RStudio and see how that works out. So once the R is downloaded, what I can do is I can click on it and first install R. Say OK, read all the license, say OK, and continue with all the default files. Right, so you can just have everything there and then say next and say accept defaults. Right, so yeah, I'm just going to leave all the defaults and say next. So it'll take a while to install. Okay, so once that is installed, we can basically launch it from here. So it's the x64 bit that I want to launch, and it'll be basically launched and done correctly, right? So if it's opening, yes, it's done correctly. You can close it and then go ahead and install the RStudio version, right? This is what is the real thing. You can go say next, next, and the steps are simple, and let that install. It's going to take a while. So that's done and it's done. I can go here and basically attach this to my start and attach this to also the start. Let me launch RStudio. Yeah, so as soon as you do this, you'll be able to see this platform is running and kicking. So if you want to install any packages that you want, you can basically say install and type the name that you want here, right? So for example, I know that carrot package will not be installed. So I'm just going to say carrot and say give a comma and say ggplot also, right, and say install. So if you do that, it basically takes all the supported packages and installs all of them one by one, right? So there's a lot of packages that the carrot and the ggplot are dependent on, and basically this takes care of a lot of packages getting installed at one time. So yeah, very good. Now once that is done, you can basically start off and uh, do a lot of things with RStudios. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Hope to see you in the next video.